Hi, I'm Matthew Harry from Modulo Pi. I'm here with Cody Niblett from MayCo, our US distributor. We're a media server manufacturer company based in Paris, and here we have an interactive LED corner experience, and Cody's going to go ahead and play around with it, and I'll just talk you through it. So right here we have 2D LiDARs up on the walls, and we can detect the position where he interacts with the wall and define it as interactive zones. So here we have living art pieces. These pieces will talk when you interact with them, and they're in an endless loop, and once you interact with them, they transition smoothly from that loop into the animated part. So this is something that we added as a feature in the latest version of Modulo Kinetic. All of this is powered by one box Modulo Kinetic. Here we're in another demo. So right now we're looking at a 3D model of a car with a configurator on the left screen where he can interact with the different buttons to change the colors of the car. And he can also interact with the 3D model itself because it has built-in animations of the door and the trunk. Cody's going to show us that right now. If he touches the door, it opens the door. If he touches the other door, it opens the door. Of course, he chose the camera viewpoint that has the hardest difficulty, but he's an expert at this. If he touches the trunk will open as well. And just to prove to you, he changed the camera viewpoint. He really has to interact with the 3D model itself for the animations to play out. Now, you might have noticed that my friend Cody here has pom-poms in his hand, and you're like, why does he have pom-poms? Well, we can also throw things at the wall, so we're going to go into another demo, which is a knockdown game. So knockdown games, we integrated in the latest version of Modulo Kinetic a physics engine. So if he throws the ball at the wall, the physics engine will calculate all the movement of the cans for us, and all of this is being done real time. We also have a thing here going on at InfoComm. We had it at ISE, nobody won, but if somebody can knock down all the cans with one single hit, he might just win a server. And there you have it. This is Modulo Kinetic powering interactive experiences. Please come to booth 7743, and if you cannot make it here, visit our websites, MayCo and Modulo-Pi.